What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. And today, we got another little video segment on the wonderful world of hyperlocal growing, baby. So today, we're going to dive into the practical question of how much money can you save by growing your own food? Now stick around because the answer just might surprise you. And if nobody told you that they love you or that they thank you, your wallet sure will. So before we crunch the numbers, let's just kind of relax and settle down a little bit. Get your pen, get your pad, get your paper, and let's get ready to see how this is about to improve your life. All right, let's get into it. So how much money can you save potentially by growing your own food? Let's break it down. All right, benefit number one, grocery bill reduction. The most direct impact is on your grocery bill. And according to the National Gardening Association, a well-maintained garden area or growing area can save you an average family up to $600 per year on groceries. So imagine what you could do with those extra savings. Next, reduce medical expenses. This is something that we don't think about, but growing your own food has an indirect saving here. A study in the American Journal of Public Health found a positive correlation between gardening and improved overall health. So as you consume more fresh, homegrown produce, you might find yourself making fewer trips to the doctor, resulting in potential long-term savings on medical expenses. Benefit number three, less food waste. You ever bought a bunch of veggies only to find them wilted and unused in your fridge? Well, the EPA, or Environmental Protection Agency, estimates that on average, a family of four throws away about $1,600 worth of produce each year. So by growing only what you need, you significantly reduce food waste and save money. So to maximize these savings, plan your growing in your area ahead of time based on your family's preference. Preserve excess produce through canning and freezing. Explore different cost-effective growing techniques. In conclusion, how much money could you save by growing your own food? The savings are substantial, from your grocery bill to potential health benefits and reduced food waste. So in our next video, we'll tackle the aspect of time. How much time does it typically take to grow your own food? Stay tuned. As always, you know who I am. You know what I do. 'Cause I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. We're getting close to something real special. We ain't doing this for nothing. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.
Be sure to click on the description below to get 20% off the Hyperlocal Grower course. This offer is only good from March 8th through March 14th, 2024. Click the link now to get 20% off the pre-sale price, and we'll see you in the course soon.